Hello. In this session, I will discuss with you about the 16 by 2 LCD display. LCDs stand for liquid crystal display. This device is used for displaying numbers, characters, and small graphics. Every LCD consists of two registers. One is data register, and the another one is instruction command code register. 8 data pins D0 to D7, 3 control pins RS, RW and enable, and 3 voltage control pin VCC, VSS and VEE. VCC, you have to connect it to the 5-volt power supply, VSS to the ground. VE pin is used to control the brightness of LCD. If you provide the larger voltage to it, the brightness of LCD will increase. If you supply lower voltage to VE pin, the brightness will get decrease. RS pin is for register select, to select between the data register and instruction command code register. If you supply logic 0 to this pin, that means you want to use instruction command code register, and if you supply 1, that means data register. RW pin, read write pin, if you write logic 0, that means you want to write data to these registers, and if you write 1, that means you are intended for reading the content of these registers. Enable pin. Enable pin is used by LCD to latch information present on data pins. So you have to put first data on the data pins, then you have to apply logic 0 to enable. You have to make enable pin 1 for at least 450 nanosecond, then you have to make it 0. Then only the content present on the LCD pin will get latched inside the LCD. Okay. One more thing that you have to note is, whenever you want to display something on LCD, you have to send the ASCII value related to that number or character. For example, if you want to display 09 on LCD, in that case you have to send value 39. 39 in hexa. 39H value you have to send. Okay, now let's talk about LCD command codes. Whenever we want the LCD to perform certain tasks, in that case we have to send command to the command code register of LCD. Suppose we want to clear the screen of LCD, in that case we have to send 01 hex value to the command code register. If you want the display on, in that case we have to send 0E value. Similarly, if you want 2 lines and 5 by 7 matrix, in that case you have to send 38H this command to the command code register of LCD. You will get this chart from the standard LCD data sheet. Here you will find the value that you need to send for particular command. For example, clear display, here is the value 000001. So that's why we are sending 01 value to the LCD command code register to perform this clear display task. So this chart information is from the standard data sheet of LCD. Okay, before we start with the programming, let's assume that the D0 to D7 data pins of LCD we have connected to the port 1 pins, D0 to port 1.0, D7 to 1.7, and enable pin to port 2.2, read write pin to port 2.1 and RS pin to port 2.0. Now for these particular pin connections we will write the code.